Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Android games and install Android apps on your PC or laptop using the Google Play Store. If you love playing mobile games but prefer the bigger screen of your computer, this tutorial is for you. To get started, we need an Android emulator. Emulators are software that mimic Android devices to your computer. There are several emulators available, but today we'll be using BlueStacks, one of the most popular and user-friendly options. First, open your web browser and go to the BlueStack official website. That's www.bluestacks.com. Now click on the download BlueStacks option. Once the installer file is downloaded, open it to begin the installation process. Now follow the on-screen instructions to install BlueStacks. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, launch BlueStacks. When you first open BlueStacks, you need to sign in with your Google account. This is the same account you use on your Android phone or tablet. Enter your credentials and sign in. Now that you've signed it, you'll see the Google Play Store search icon on the home screen of your Blue screens. Stacks, click on it to open the Play Store. From here, you can browse and search for any game or app you want to install, just like you would on a regular Android device. Let's try installing a popular game. I'll search for Clash of Clans and click install. Once the game is loaded, simply tap on download. You can see here you can download BlueStacks and simply download this one. Once the game is installed, you can open it directly from BlueStacks. Use your mouse and keyboard to control the game, or if you have a touch screen, you can use that too. And enjoy your favorite Android games on a big screen now. And that's it. You can now enjoy Android games and apps on your PC or laptop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.